Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make macaroni salad with Gulaman. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 1 cup of elbow macaroni, cooked and drained. Also, prepare 1 packet of unflavored Gulaman, setting it to chill and firm up. For the dressing, have 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of condensed milk, and 1/4 cup of sugar ready. Don't forget 1/2 cup of diced cooked ham and 1/4 cup of cubed cheddar cheese for texture and flavor. Let's prepare our main components. First, cook your elbow macaroni in boiling water for about 7 to 9 minutes until it's perfectly al dente. Drain it well and rinse with cold water to prevent sticking and stop further cooking. Next, prepare the Gulaman. Dissolve 1 packet of unflavored Gulaman powder in 1 cup of cold water. Then bring it to a boil, stirring constantly. Pour this mixture into a shallow dish and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes until firm. Now let's bring everything together. Once your Gulaman is firm, carefully cut it into small 1/2 inch cubes. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cooled macaroni, the diced cooked ham, and the cubed cheddar cheese. In a separate small bowl, whisk together the 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of condensed milk, and 1/4 cup of sugar until you have a smooth, creamy dressing. Pour this delicious dressing over the macaroni mixture and gently toss until all ingredients are evenly coated. For the final steps, gently fold the cubed Gulaman into your macaroni salad. Be careful not to break the delicate Gulaman pieces too much, ensuring they are evenly distributed. Cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap or an airtight lid. It's crucial to refrigerate the macaroni salad for at least 2 hours, or even better, overnight. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully, resulting in a refreshing and unique macaroni salad ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.